This is Vernon. He is 42 inches tall from his feet to the top of his head. The head is completely carved out of wood. The eyes are acrylic, they do not move. The hands are carved out of wood. He comes dressed as seen. Mouth works well. The body is a wood frame covered in cloth. We have the shirt cut out in the back so you can get your hand in there. Like I say, he wears 4T and 5T enclosed. It has a ring lever, so you can use either hand. You can use your finger or your thumb, whichever you prefer. We have fun fur for a wig here. See, he is a bit bald. So if you're interested in Vernon here, you can contact me on my Facebook page. Just look up my name, Daniel Cosno, on Facebook, and I can give you, if you have any questions or comments, I can let you know that then. You can also see how I make these figures on my YouTube page under my name, Daniel Cosno. Thanks for watching.